Alright everybody, check it out. Here it is, the long-awaited Golden Grahams cereal. Retro Recipe Honey is back. The delicious taste of Golden Grahams in milk. Here it is, y'all, my favorite cereal ever. And this was approximately, I do want to say, $3.49 a box. And then I got myself some milk over here. So I'm going to tear everything open here. This is my oversized bowl. And we're going to put some stuff in here. There's a heavy chocolate order catalog here. So whatever. Alright, let's do this, everybody. Alright, everybody, here's a heads in look. Let's take a sniff here. Well, I'll tell you what, y'all, the smell is a lot better than it used to be. I had the regular Golden Grahams here, and I haven't ate any lately because they taste cardboardy. So let's pour a little bowl. I plan on eating all of these too, and I will. That should be sufficient. Time for some milk, everybody. Alright, let's add the milk, everybody. That should be a good enough amount of milk. Alright, everybody, I just want to take note of this. I'll tilt it so light hits it right. It says, remember the 80s. Head to toe, neon spandex, head banging to your favorite hair metal band, guitar, breakdancing, parachute pants, 2 for $1 Tuesday at local video store, hanging at the arcade, best of all, waking up on Saturday morning for a marathon of cartoons and a bowl of Golden Grahams cereal made with real honey. Inspired by the original Golden Grahams recipe made with a touch of golden honey, we're bringing back the best part of the 80s, the taste of your childhood. And I really like what they did to the back of this box. It's very colorful, it's very neat. And as well, as always, here is the nutritional information and all that good stuff. I know the pod that the camera doesn't focus towards a diddly poop. So, anyways, while we wait for our cereal to soften, I used to love to eat part of them crunchy and the rest of them soft, but being as I am only dentally half, because my bottom plate is no longer, I have to wait for them to become soft so that I can just mush them when they're in my mouth and they disintegrate enough to swallow. It sucks, but at least I'm still able to consume them and eat them and like them and digest them just fine. So I'm going to pause here for a minute and then we'll come right back. You know what? That's delicious. It's definitely got a more noticeable, pronounced flavor. Let's go in for a bite. You know, the flavor is definitely better, but at the same time, it's not like super amazing. One more. Well, y'all, the texture is right on the money. The flavor was a little better. I give it a point and a half. The overall product was pretty darn good. And in comparison to the regular golden browns available now, I think the emphasis going on right here is more for the flavor and the honey, which is ever so slight, but it is I don't know if they keep this one around. I'll probably continue to buy it. If not, I'll still be buying the regular Golden Grahams because I eat them quite frequently, as they are my favorite. So you have it, everybody. This product receives a solid 4 on the dessert. So there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We welcome all creators here and would love to hear from each and every one of you. Be sure to hit that like button so that we know you liked the video and so that we'll upload more stuff like this. Alright, everybody, take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you all very soon in the next video.